Hello friends, today our topic is analog module programming of S7300 PLC in SIMATIC Manager software. In this lecture, we will cover how to do the programming of analog input sensor in S7300 PLC. In this tutorial, I will take one example of pressure sensor. You can see in picture, this is a pressure sensor. Is output from 0 to 20 milliampere. Is sensing from 0 to 100 Pascal. Okay, this is a range, pressure range, and output from 4 to 20 milliampere. So let's start in software. First we will make new project. Our project is lecture number 07, analog input programming. Okay, insert new project, 300 station, and go to hardware, insert a new project object, go to rack and add the rack. This is a rack. First one is a space for power supply, and second for CPU. I will add one CPU here in position number 2. And I want to add S15. Okay, so third one is for communication module. In fourth, I will add one input analog module, and go to here, insert the object, and go to SIMATIC SM300 and go to analog input 300, and I will add this one, analog input 8 and 12 bit. Okay, and one more module for output, analog module. So I will click here and insert object and go to SIMATIC 300 AO, analog output, and also add analog put 8 12 bit. Okay, you can see here our topic is analog input programming, this module programming, and you can addresses of this module is from start to 56 and end to 71. Okay, and go to input, and you can see 0 to 1. If you want to connect the voltage, you have to click E, voltage. If you want to sense the milliampere, you have to select 2 wire transducer or 4 wire transducer. Our case is 2 wire transducer, and our main range is 4 to 20 milliampere. Okay, and this is the for 2-3 channel. If I want to connect the voltage, I have to select E, and ranges you can see according to your sensor. If your sensor is plus minus 10, you have to select this one. If you don't want to use 4 to 5 channel, click deactivation. Okay, and same for this one. Okay, so in this dressing I am using only 0 to 1 and 2 to 3 channel, and I have deactivate 4 to 5 and 6 to 5 channels. Okay, go to OK. So let's start the programming. First you have to save your hardware and go to here and go to block OB1 and your language is ladder diagram and select OK. This is one window where we will do the programming. So first we will go to the library, go to the standard library and go to the converting block, S7 converting block, and add the scale. This is a scale block, you can see here this is a scale block, and let's start the programming. Our input, you can see here in hardware, go to edit symbol. You can see our first channel addressing is PIW256, channel number 0, and this is channel number 1 PIW258, and this way you can attach total 8 input sensor in this module. So I will attach, my sensor is pressure sensor, so I will attach in this PIW256 is our input dressing. Okay, so go to here and right here I means input analog value W256. Okay, this is a limit for scaling. You can see in our example is 0 to 100 Pascal. So minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 100. So I will put is the high limit. In high limit I will put 100.0. This is our high limit and this is our low limit 0.0. Okay, and this is a bipolar. You have to put M0.1. this is our memory bit. Okay, and this is a real value. According to your input you can get the output value in hexa. So I will put here MW0, the register of 1 word. At out I will put double word MD is a double word 0. Okay, in this way you have to do the programming of your input analog sensor. Your sensor will be connect channel number 0 and value will come at this point 256, as we see in this 256 from 251. This is the input and addressing of analog module. Okay, so go to start the simulation and go to option set PG communication and have to select MP1. MP1 select here and in same PLC sim MPI and download your program. Okay, and go to here, also download this program. Yes, start monitoring and go to simulation and start the run. Okay, you can see in this section in input, your input of the sensor value will become here, and you will get the output value here is out. Okay, let's go to the simulation. I will tell you how to do the programming. The PIW 256. Okay, and select the decimal value and go to run. Okay, and you can check when I change the value, your output value will also change. You can see when I change the input value, your output value also change, but maximum value is 100 and mini value is 0. Okay, you can see value is changing from 0 to 100. The maximum value is the minimum value 0 and maximum value is 100. You can see the 100 value. So your input value will be changed and your output will also change. Okay, so in this way you can program your analog sensor value in analog module, and this is a scaling of for setting your value. If you have any question in this lecture, you can raise a question in the comment box. Our team will give the answer of your question. Okay, bye.